Hey, I always say hey. We're headed out to Antelope Island State Park. See what it's all about. In the wintertime, shouldn't be a ton of people there. Be fun to go explore. And we'll see what it's all about. All right. I'm at the Salt Lake and I can't believe there's a boat ramp here. I would have never thought that there'd be a boat. I don't know. Never been to the Salt Lake before. So this is quite interesting. There's actually a little marina here. Of course, the water levels are so low right now. This is nuts. It's an old buoy just sitting here. I don't know about this beach access thing. Let's go check it out. Sand is soft. Holy smokes. See, hopefully the sand gets a little harder. Hopefully Hopefully it gets easier to hike. Look at this. This is cool. There, I've touched it. Can you tell which way the wind's blowing? Also, there's supposed to be some buffalo! Buffalo!